Hello 4th grade violin and viola players. This is a tutorial on a new song called French Folk Song, and here's what it sounds like. So our first note is high D, so 3 fingers on the A string. And will you please be my echo? D, 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 C, C, sharp, ready, and go. And we're going to play B, C sharp, D, A. Try that. 1, 2, 3, A, ready, play. Try it again. 1, 2, 3, A, ready, play. All right, let's try it from the beginning. It sounds like this. Try it. Set 3 fingers on your tape. Go. Awesome. Next part, we're going to march 1, 2, 3 fingers on the D string for the note G and be my echo. G, 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 F, F, sharp, E, 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 D, ready, play. Good, try that again. March 1, 2, 3 fingers for G, 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 ready, play. Let's go from the beginning all the way to there. So check gerbil house, oxygen, set high D, make sure your fingers are right on the tapes. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, D, ready, play. March 3, go. Let's try that one more time. Set 3 fingers for high D. 1, 2, 3, ready, play. Plop 3, go. Awesome. Now we're going to walk up the D string. Listen. D, E, F sharp, D, E, F sharp, D, E, F sharp, G. Try that. Open D. 1, 2, 3, ready, play. Try that again. D, 1, 2, D, 1, 2, ready, and play. Fabulous. Next part is this. E, F sharp, G, E, F sharp, G, E, F sharp, G, A. Set 1 finger E. 1, 2, 3, ready, and go. Open A. Awesome. Let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, ready, and 1. Open A. Fabulous. Next part is like walking down the D scale. Okay, so we're going to find 3 fingers high D, and it sounds like this. So let's march 1, 2, 3 fingers for high D, and be my echo. D, C sharp, B, A, ready, play. Set 3 fingers, ready, go right now. Now we're going to play G, F sharp, E, ready, go. Now we're going to play E, D, ready, play. We're going to try that again. E, D, ready, play. All right, let's back it up to the backwards D scale. So find high D, and we're going to walk backwards. Listen first. Okay, your turn. 1, 2, 3 fingers. D, 2, 3, ready, go. Try it again. 3 fingers. Ready, go. Oh. Let's try the entire song. You guys have got this. 3 fingers, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2.